Hello and welcome to the second part of noise story time. So today's craft, I'm going to show you how to make a noise maker. So much fun. There's so many different ways you can do it. So what you're going to need is, sticking with our toilet paper roll theme, you can get the toilet paper roll, empty one, paper towel roll, maybe an empty can. And then you're going to need something to put inside. We have beans. I've got some beans, some rice, and some pebbles. So there are lots of different things that you could put in there. And then you're going to want either tape, paperworks, or maybe a little piece of fabric if you want to be fancy. So I'm going to show you how to do this. So take your roll, and this one I decorated, which I thought would make it kind of fun and festive. So we'll use that one. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of the tape, and I'm going to tape the end. I'm going to seal up the end. Just like that. And I'm going to kind of, let me get some scissors. Hold on. Let me get some scissors and trim this up. Just like that. Fold over that end so it's sealed up, and then let's put our rocks in here. So I'm going to put the rocks in there, and then I'm going to do the same on the other end that I did before. I'm just going to seal it up like that, and like that. And I'm going to trim it. So it's all in there. Okay, ready? Let's listen to our... Ooh, that's kind of a good one. The other thing you could do is like a can, and let's just say we put the beans in here. I cleaned my can and I dried it out. And say I have this piece of fabric, and maybe I put that on the end, and I put a rubber band on there. Oops. Might want a grown-up to help you with this. Sometimes makes it easier. Okay, there we go. So it's sealed like that. And then let's see what this one sounds like. You ready? Wow, that one's loud. So you've got two different kinds of shakers. And you can just make lots of noise. So see what you can come up with, and I hope you have fun with that. And those are our noisemakers. Goodbye.